Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate all the support out there, the likes, the subscribers. We really appreciate it. Just starting out. We got a new video for you. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid for the Galaxy Fold. We'll do a quick unboxing, take a look at it, put it on, see how it feels. Let's take a quick look at the box. It's form-fitted for the device. Ultimate everyday protection. Stable mounting, green campaign, typical Spigen packaging, nothing special. I like how they have the little lip here for easy opening. That's always nice. So let's take this baby out. It's a clear, see-through, transparent case for the Fold. I'm sure it's two pieces, like some of the other cases out there. Yep, two-piece case. Got a little piece of foam in the middle there. Nice packaging. Simple, not much to it. So here it is. It's two pieces. You'll see on the sides here a little piece of strip of glue, sticky tape, to tape it on to the Fold. I'm not going to do that today because I am going to end up giving away this case to a subscriber. Please like the video and subscribe, and we're going to give this case away. If you can use a Fold case, please let me know in the comments below, and we will give this to somebody. It's a hard plastic TPU case. Let's take a look and fit this baby on there. This is the front cover. It just clips right on. And then here's the back. It's nice. It's hard. You know, it adds a little bit of bulk to the phone, and it is a rather bulky phone, so it's certainly going to add a lot of bulk to it, but it certainly provides a lot of protection as well. Clicky buttons. You can hear those buttons. You got your buttons on the side here, the opening for the fingerprint reader. Up top here, you got your camera hole and your speaker cutout. And then on the back, obviously, your camera cutouts and an opening on the hinge so you can open up the case and close it. Provides some nice protection, good protection here, and a nice little lip on the inside here. Although you're not going to be putting this screen down, like a lot of most other phones, I would say. A lot of times you put them screen down and the lip protects this screen, but in this instance you're just closing, so you don't want too much of a lip there, so you can close it up tight. The magnet still holds, although it's not as tight of the closure of the magnet. It's strong enough to pull it closed. You can tell when you open that it doesn't use the same amount of pressure opening the phone and opening up those magnets than you would without a case on there. So there's a little bit of a disruption with the magnets, but it still closes nicely, and the magnets still hold it closed. It's just when you open it, you can tell. Certainly, it's just not as strong. Other than that, here's the bottom speaker cutout, USB-C Type-C cutouts on the bottom, and on the top for the speaker. It's a nice case. They did a really nice job. It's hard. Hard plastic for good protection. I feel like if you drop this thing, that you'd be protected nicely, especially when you take the sticky tape off, tape it on to make sure that the case doesn't fall off. So there it is, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, hit me up below. Subscribe, like the video. I appreciate, again, all your support getting this channel started, and take care.